If you've ever wanted to keep your Trello data in Google Sheets automatically, then I'm going to show you how to make it happen. It's super handy for reporting, tracking progress, or just keeping everything in one place. So first, you're going to need your Trello board ready and a Google Sheet where you want the data to go. Then simply head over to Trello's automation tools, or you can also use a third-party service like Zapier or automate.io. These let you set up a Zap or workflow that sends new cards, lists, or updates straight into your Google Sheet. So when setting it up, simply pick your Trello board, then choose the data you want to sync. So that could be card names, due dates, labels, or members. Then next, link it to your Google Sheet. So once it's connected, any updates in Trello will automatically appear in your sheet. So it saves you a ton of time and keeps data in sync without manually copying. And that's it. So with this setup, you can literally keep all your Trello board and Google Sheets perfectly aligned, making reporting and tracking so much easier. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.